On January 17, 1994, California was shaken by the Northridge Earthquake, which caused extensive destruction and led to a surprising surge in crime. In the weeks that followed, looting and vandalism skyrocketed as people struggled to cope with the disaster's aftermath. Law enforcement was overwhelmed, leading to a notable increase in thefts and violent crimes as some took advantage of the chaos. Communities came together to support each other, but the shadow of crime lingered on, showcasing how natural disasters can exacerbate pre-existing issues. The events revealed vulnerabilities in our society and underscored the fragile balance between order and chaos during times of crisis.